Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about the properties of genetic material. A molecule that can act as a genetic material must fulfill the following criteria. So, what is the first one? It should have the ability of replication, and the replicated genetic material must be transferred from one generation to the next generation. So, this genetic material is able to involve in replication. Suppose DNA. If you take the DNA, that's DNA molecule is gives rise to one DNA molecule is gives rise to two DNA molecules. During mitosis cell division, the one parental cell is divided to gives rise to two progeny cells. Initially, the parental cell is consist of the DNA molecule. Suppose if one DNA molecule, later the DNA molecule is involved in replication, that's transferred into the progeny cells. Its transgenetic material is transferred from one generation to another generation. And second rule is it should be stable both structurally and chemically. And next, third one is the mutations are essential for evolution and adaptability. Hence, genetic material should have a scope for slow changes. Mutations, the heritable changes occurs in a living organisms. What is the example for one mutations? In ancient times, the human beings are having tail, but nowadays that character is disappeared. So that is one of the example for mutations. So mutations are essential for evolution and adaptability. Hence, genetic material should have a scope for slow changes. It should be able to express itself in the form of Mendelian characters. Already have learnt about the Mendel experiments, monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross. So in those experiments, the characters, suppose if the tall pea plant is crossed with the dwarf pea plant, in F1 generation, the progeny plants or exhibit the tall characters. There one of the parental character is expressed from parents to offsprings. Whereas in F2 generation, both the parental characters are expressed, both tall and dwarf characters. Okay, that concept already you know very well. So it should be genetic material should be able to express itself in the form of Mendelian characters. Because of the rule of base pairing and complementarity. Here the in DNA molecule, suppose how many strands are there? Two strands. In one strand, so adenine is present. Opposite to the adenine, thymine in another strand. Okay. So here the because of the base rule of base pairing and complementarity, both the nucleic acids DNA and RNA have the ability to direct their duplications. DNA is chemically less reactive and structurally more stable when compared to RNA. Why DNA is chemically less reactive and structurally more stable? Because the presence of thymine in DNA instead of uracil provides stability to DNA molecule. Okay, which is gives the more stable in DNA molecule the presence of thymine instead of the uracil gives more stability to the DNA molecule. And another one is hydrogen bonding between the nitrogen bases and their stacking makes DNA more stable for storing genetic information. Hydrogen bonding between the nitrogen bases and their stacking makes DNA more stable for storing genetic information. So this here the DNA double helical structure knowledge is required. already have learned about the structure of a DNA molecule. So hydrogen bonds, already have seen the hydrogen bonds, hydrogen bonding between the nitrogen bases. We have discussed about the hydrogen bonds in between adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. In between adenine and thymine, how many hydrogen bonds are present? 2. Whereas in guanine, in between guanine and cytosine, 3 hydrogen bonds are present. Okay, already have seen the diagrammatic representation of DNA molecule. In the DNA molecule, hydrogen bonds in between adenine and thymine, guanine and cytosine. So hydrogen bonding between the nitrogen bases and their stacking makes DNA more stable for storing genetic information. In some of the viruses, RNA is act as a genetic material. For example, in HIV virus, and nowadays the one of the deadly virus is found that the coronavirus. In coronavirus also RNA is the genetic material. In tobacco mosaic virus, RNA is the genetic material. In some viruses, RNA is the genetic material. RNA is not a very suitable genetic material because the OH group is additional OH group is present at second carbon of ribose sugar. Look at here, this is a diagrammatic representation, the structure of ribose sugar. This is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, pentose sugar. So in this structure, at the second carbon, OH group is present, whereas in DNA it's absent. So due to presence of additional OH group at second carbon, it gives more reactive and makes RNA liable to change and easily degradable because of this presence of additional OH group at second carbon. RNA is known as to be catalytic and reactive. How many types of nucleic acids are there? Mainly 2 types. What are they? Deoxyribose nucleic acid and another one is the ribose nucleic acid. So ribose nucleic acid is known to be catalytic, hence reactive. So one of the RNA molecule, that's ribosome, it's involved in catalytic function. RNA mutates at faster rate. Viruses having RNA genome and having shorter lifespan mutate and evolve faster. So RNA mutates at faster rate because the viruses having RNA genome and having shorter lifespan mutate and evolve faster. RNA can directly code for protein synthesis, but DNA is dependent on RNA for synthesis of protein. RNA is able to directly involved in protein synthesis, but DNA is dependent on RNA for protein synthesis of proteins. So this detailed concept we will learn later. Now we are discussing about the properties of genetic material. The protein synthesizing machinery has evolved around RNA. Both DNA and RNA can function as a genetic material, but DNA, being more stable, is preferred for storing genetic information. RNA is better for the transfer of genetic information. So both DNA and RNA can function as genetic material, but DNA being more stable. Which is more stable? DNA. Okay, it's preferred for storing genetic information. RNA is better for the transfer of genetic information. So from this concept, regarding subjective point of view, one of the question is write the properties of genetic material. Whereas in few NEET related questions, we'll discuss here. One of the question is reactive group of RNA is. Reactive group of RNA is. What are the given options? Options A, phosphate, option B, nitrogen base, option C, both A and B, option D, the OH group at second carbon. So what is the answer? Reactive group of RNA. Here, additional OH group, 2' OH group. So what is the answer? Option D is the correct answer. These molecules have the ability to direct their duplications. Which of the molecules are ability to direct their duplications? What are the options? Given options. Options A, DNA and RNA. Option B, DNA and proteins. Option C, RNA and proteins. Option D, DNA, RNA and proteins. Okay. What are the both DNA and RNA? Both DNA and RNA ability to direct their duplication. Okay, among these, which option is the correct answer? Option A, DNA and RNA.